New York is making history tonight. Just a few minutes ago, Governor Cuomo signed tough new gun restrictions into law, making New York the first state in the nation to pass them in the wake of the Sandy Hook elementary shooting. Now, the Senate passed the bill late last night, and then the Assembly followed suit this afternoon.
No surprise here, gun owners and Second Amendment advocates say this law is illegal, and tonight they're promising to fight it in court. So Matt Markham put the bill to the test with an attorney who says there's good news and bad for those hoping the law does not stand.
Gun owners believe their lawmakers trampled on their rights.
The Second Amendment does give people individual rights. They're not limitless, and they are subject to what they call reasonable restrictions.
Are these reasonable restrictions?
Reasonable depends on which side of the fence you're on.
Now groups plan to challenge a decision that would be the first of its kind in the nation.
A governor and a state senator who, vowed to have more transparent government did something like this on a message of necessity and forced it through late at night without any public comment.
After a late-night call to action here at the Capitol from the Senate, the State Pistol and Rifle Association made a call of its own, possibly the first step in a challenge of this legislation.
I let a sitting judge who's had many, many, many years of experience in law and trial judge and also a district attorney for a while. And I gave it to him last night, and I said, "So, what did you think about it?" And he says, "I didn't understand it."
One point in the bill calls for limits on high-capacity magazines, some of which are used by gun clubs.
And the AR-15 is the gun that they use in that, and you need more than 7 rounds in a magazine.
A registry on such assault weapons would be required, though the association believes that conflicts with a federal act prohibiting registries, legal experts say.
The 1986 Act relates to federal law and records being kept by the federal government. It doesn't prohibit the state from keeping records.
It's expected any legal challenge of New York's gun control measures will not be successful because of the overwhelming majority of support. Matt Markham, CBS 6 News, Albany.